I wanted to start this video series 6 months back, but I could start only last week. I was wondering what held me back for so long because the content was ready. On reflection, I realized that I was smitten by Be Perfect Driver. I wanted these videos to be just right. I didn't want any shortcomings from these videos. Be it the content, the flow, the background, or just even my dressing. One of my clients was telling how this Be Perfect driver helped him in one task and troubled him in another task. He was able to raise correct invoices consistently every time because of the Be Perfect driver. But he was not able to deliver the PPT on time because of the same driver. Procrastination may have roots in Be Perfect driver. People with Be Perfect driver may think that if anything not done perfectly is a failure. This may stop them from starting a task itself, or this may delay the tasks to be completed. People with Be Perfect driver may not be able to delegate tasks to others because they want everything to be perfect, and that may lead them not to trust others. Be Perfect driver may also make a person more controlling in nature because they want the things to be perfect. So, what is the first step towards dealing with Be Perfect driver so that it actually helps us rather than troubling us? First step towards this is self-awareness. Being aware that we have this Be Perfect driver in us. Recognizing in what task, in what activities it is helping us, and in where and all situations it is not helping us. Apart from that, having a very realistic goal also helps to deal with the Be Perfect driver. And also giving permission to ourselves to make mistakes or not to be perfect. Maybe first few steps towards dealing with Be Perfect. Do you recognize whether you have this Be Perfect driver in you? If yes, where it is helping you and where it is troubling you? Please type in your learnings from this video in the message box. And also, please note that this video is only for awareness purpose. Thank you.